Saan tayo pupunta?
Let's go to the beach. See you later at the church. Nung ako rin garod. Mag-shake ka na, puro scripted eh. Kalikot. Outfit check. Okay, cut. We have arrived, but the others isn't here, so we're here.
It's 4 o'clock in the
Waiting.
morning.
Right.
Waiting right now.
Ito, nag-charge po ko
Wow.
for extra battery health. Outfit check. Yes, di siya umabot. On the way sa
OTW.
follow the leader daw. Umalis sila. On the way. Ay, sorry leader. Parang prepared. Ito po kami ngayon. Ano ba yan? Nagpapaganda pa rin naman yung sakat. Yes! We've arrived. After how many hours of suffering, we are here. Wait lang yung photo bomber mo. Okay. Go!
Ngayon mo ngayon na nagbanana boat siya mag-
Wow! Oh! Saan galing yan?